To get more views on your YouTube videos, start by optimizing your title and thumbnail. These are the first things viewers see, so make them catchy and relevant to attract clicks. Quality matters. Ensure your videos are well produced and provide value to your audience. Help your videos get discovered by using relevant keywords in your description and tags. Expand your audience by sharing your videos on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers to introduce your channel to a new audience. Reach out to other creators for potential partnerships and collaborations. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging viewers to subscribe and like your videos. Building a strong connection with your audience can lead to more views and engagement. Consistency can help build a loyal viewer base. Guide viewers to watch more of your content by using end screens and cards to link to related videos. This can help increase overall watch time and engagement. Don't be afraid to try new things. Experiment with different video formats and topics to see what resonates with your audience. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what's not.